Welcome to Unique Beam, where we journey beyond the confines of our planet to uncover the mysteries of the universe. Today we focus on an upcoming event that will reshape our galactic neighborhood, the monumental collision between the Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy. This monumental cosmic event, foretold by the laws of physics and the inexorable pull of gravity, offers a window into the dynamic and ever-changing universe we inhabit. Imagine two titanic swarms of stars, each a galaxy in its own right, drawn together across millions of light-years by the force of gravity. This is not the plot of a science fiction saga, but the destiny written in the stars for the Milky Way and Andromeda. Scheduled for a rendezvous in about 4 billion years, this galactic dance is more than a mere collision. It is a transformation that will birth a new galaxy from the union of two. As we embark on this journey through time and space, join us in unraveling the mystery, majesty, and magnitude of the coming cosmic collision and what it means for our galaxy, our solar system, and our understanding of the cosmos. Galactic collisions are among the most majestic events in the universe, showcasing the grand scale of cosmic evolution. These phenomena occur when two or more galaxies, under the influence of gravitational forces, come into close proximity and merge over time. While the term collision may evoke images of chaos and destruction, galactic collisions are often slow, graceful processes that can lead to the birth of new stars and the reshaping of galaxies. The universe is a stage for countless cosmic dances, where galaxies of all shapes and sizes come together in a grand display of celestial dynamics. These interactions can result in a variety of outcomes, from the merging of galaxies to form larger ones, to the creation of new structures within them, such as rings, tails, and bridges of stars and gas. These events are not just spectacular to observe, they are essential to understanding the life cycle of galaxies and the processes that drive their evolution. The inevitable collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda is driven by the relentless force of gravity. Observations and simulations indicate that in about 4 billion years, these two galaxies will commence their dramatic encounter. Despite the apparent violence, the vast distances between stars mean that direct collisions of stellar bodies are unlikely. Instead, gravitational forces will intertwine the galaxies, transforming them into a single, larger entity known as Milkomeda or Andromeda Way. This merger is a testament to the dynamic nature of the universe. As Andromeda draws closer, we can expect a spectacular display of cosmic fireworks, with new stars being born from the tumultuous mixing of gases. The final structure of the merged galaxy is still a subject of study, with scientists using advanced simulations to predict its shape and properties. This monumental event will not only mark the end of the Milky Way as we know it, but also herald the beginning of a new chapter in the story of our cosmic home. Before we explore the profound impacts this cosmic collision will have on our solar system and the extraordinary phenomena it will set in motion, let's take a brief moment to connect. If the mysteries of the universe and the awe-inspiring events in the cosmos captivate your imagination, make sure to subscribe to Unique Beam and give this video a thumbs up. Your support is the force that propels our journey through the stars, bringing the wonders of space directly to you. Now, let's explore how the impending collision between Andromeda and the Milky Way will shape the future of our solar system and reveal breathtaking cosmic events. The impending Andromeda Milky Way collision raises an intriguing question about the fate of our own solar system within this grand cosmic rearrangement. While the very notion of such a galactic merger might evoke concerns about cataclysmic disruptions to our planetary neighborhood, the vast distances between stars in a galaxy offer a reassuring perspective. The likelihood of direct stellar collisions occurring as a result of the merger is minimal. However, the gravitational ballet between Andromeda and the Milky Way will certainly have effects on the orbits of stars within both galaxies, including our Sun. Astronomers predict that the solar system could be tossed to a different region of the resulting galaxy, or, less likely, be ejected into intergalactic space as a rogue system. Despite these possibilities, the structural integrity of the solar system itself, including the orbits of the planets around the Sun, is expected to remain largely intact. The more significant changes will occur on a galactic scale, where new patterns of star formation and the rearrangement of cosmic material will define the new galactic landscape. One of the most exciting aspects of the Andromeda Milky Way collision is the expected surge in star formation that will accompany this event. As the two galaxies begin to intertwine, the gas and dust within them will compress in regions of high gravitational stress, triggering the birth of new stars. This period of enhanced star formation will illuminate the merging galaxies, creating brilliant tapestries of light and color across the celestial sphere. The evolution of this new galaxy will be a spectacle of cosmic proportions. Over time, the frenetic pace of star birth will slow, and Milkomeda will settle into its new form. This evolved galaxy will likely bear little resemblance to its progenitors, showcasing the transformative power of galactic mergers. This process is a fundamental aspect of galactic evolution, demonstrating how collisions and mergers drive the life cycle of galaxies across the universe. Even now, astronomers are using the latest technology to observe Andromeda and the Milky Way, gathering data on their relative motions and predicting the dynamics of their eventual merger. Through telescopes equipped with advanced optics and imaging capabilities, scientists can track the subtle changes in Andromeda's trajectory as it inches closer to the Milky Way. These observations are crucial for refining our understanding of the collision timeline and for predicting the complex gravitational interactions that will define the merger. Ground-based observatories and space telescopes alike play pivotal roles in this endeavor, offering different vantage points and capabilities for studying our galactic neighbor and its approach. The ongoing study of Andromeda and the Milky Way not only prepares us for understanding the future of our galaxy, but also offers insights into the nature of galaxies throughout the universe, providing a glimpse into their past, present, and future dynamics. The Andromeda Milky Way collision is more than just a cosmic event. It is a testament to the ever-evolving nature of the universe. This grand merger, set against the backdrop of cosmic time, invites us to ponder our place in the universe and the dynamic processes that shape it. As we look forward to this momentous event, we are reminded of the beauty and complexity of the cosmos, a realm where galaxies dance in the gravity's embrace, birthing new stars and forging new worlds. Thank you for joining Unique Beam on this exploration of the Andromeda Milky Way collision and its implications for our galaxy, our solar system, and the broader cosmos. If this journey through space and time has sparked your curiosity and wonder about the universe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Your support fuels our passion for uncovering the mysteries of the cosmos and sharing them with you. Until next time, keep gazing at the stars, for in them lies the story of our past, the reality of our present, and the promise of our future.